Tonight, prosecutors will not seek the death penalty for two people accused of killing a Clark Atlanta student. Jordyn Jones and her boyfriend Barron Brantley were indicted last week in Alexis Crawford's murder. Crawford was Jones's friend and roommate. Investigators say Jones and Brantley killed Crawford on Halloween, then left her body in a park in Decatur. Brantley's accused of sexually assaulting Crawford a few days before she was killed. This case and the violent details shocked so many of you. We've been talking about it with you since it happened. But when we asked the Fulton County District Attorney's Office if it will seek the death penalty for Brantley and Jones, the answer was no, although the spokesperson did not give us a reason why.